My mother's marinara sauce. So 2 yellow onions, and just get them cooking in that olive oil. Now this is where we need the pure horsepower of garlic. So 10 cloves. So I just slice them into rounds and drop it in there. I like a little heat from 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. That's the same thing as pepper. And then I put 2 teaspoons of sugar. And for a little bit of nature's sweetener, I'm gonna add some fresh carrot. Now I'm really ready to add my tomatoes and turn this into a tomato sauce. So just pour 2 cans of whole peeled tomatoes into here. We'll just let this tomato sauce continue to simmer on the stove over like a medium heat. Up next, I'm gonna drop these perfectly browned meatballs into my marinara sauce. Now for the taste. Wow.